Title: The Secret to Success, a story based on Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Fade in. We see a young man named Alex walking through a bustling city, looking around with a sense of wonder and excitement. Alex had big dreams of making it big in life, but he had no idea where to start. As he walked, he stumbled upon an old bookstore and decided to go inside. Once inside, Alex saw a book titled Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The book caught his eye, and he decided to buy it. Later that evening, Alex sat down to read the book. As he read, he learned that the key to success was not just hard work, but also the power of the mind. The book explained that if he could learn to control his thoughts, he could achieve anything he wanted in life. Alex was intrigued by this idea and decided to give it a try. He began to visualize his goals and dreams every day, imagining himself already achieving them. He also started to surround himself with positive people who believed in him and his vision. Slowly but surely, Alex began to see changes in his life. He started to feel more confident and focused. He noticed that opportunities seemed to be presenting themselves to him more often. One day, Alex met a successful businessman named John, who took him under his wing and showed him the ropes of the business world. John taught Alex the importance of setting goals, taking action, and persevering through challenges. With John's guidance and the lessons he learned from Think and Grow Rich, Alex started his own business. It was a bumpy road at first, but he persisted, visualizing his success and staying focused on his goals. Years later, Alex had become a successful entrepreneur. He had achieved his dreams and more, all because he learned to harness the power of his thoughts and beliefs. As he looked back on his journey, he realized that Think and Grow Rich had been the key to his success. Fade out. Voiceover: Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is more than just a book. It's a guide to success. By learning to control your thoughts and beliefs, you can achieve anything you want in life. With the right mindset and a willingness to take action, you too can become a success story like Alex. Let's take a closer look at the key lessons from Think and Grow Rich that helped Alex achieve his dreams. 1. The power of thought. Our thoughts are powerful tools that can either help or hinder us on our path to success. If we believe that we can achieve our goals, we are more likely to take action and make them a reality. To harness the power of thought, we must learn to control our minds, recognize negative thoughts, and replace them with positive ones. By visualizing his goals and dreams every day, Alex was able to believe that his dreams were possible and gave him the motivation to take action. 2. The importance of goal setting. Another key lesson from Think and Grow Rich is the importance of setting clear, specific goals. Without clear goals, we may find ourselves drifting aimlessly, unsure of what we want to achieve in life. To set effective goals, we must first identify what we truly want. This means digging deep and getting in touch with our deepest desires. Once we know what we want, we can create a plan of action to achieve it. Alex learned to set clear goals and take action towards achieving them. 3. The power of perseverance. Success is rarely easy, and there will be challenges along the way. However, those who persevere through challenges are the ones who achieve their dreams. As Alex learned from Think and Grow Rich, it's essential to keep going even when things get tough. We must be willing to put in the work and never give up on our goals. Alex faced many obstacles in his journey to success, but he persevered and ultimately achieved his dreams. 4. The importance of surrounding yourself with positive people. The people we surround ourselves with can have a significant impact on our lives. If we surround ourselves with negative, pessimistic people, we may find ourselves feeling discouraged and demotivated. However, if we surround ourselves with positive, supportive people, we will feel inspired and motivated to achieve our goals. As Alex learned, surrounding himself with positive people who believed in him and his vision helped him to stay focused and motivated on his journey to success. By applying these key lessons from Think and Grow Rich, Alex was able to achieve his dreams and become a successful entrepreneur. These lessons can apply to anyone who wants to achieve success in their lives.